The MOBVOI Home Treadmill Incline brings the gym experience into your home. Assembly is super easy. All the tools are included with easy-to-read instructions. The running belt and structure do a wonderful job absorbing shocks for a more comfortable run. At only 52 inches long, it's both smaller and lighter than traditional treadmills. You can squeeze it into tighter spaces. And all the safety features like a slow release and a safety key are included. The motor is practically noise-free. For an even more intense workout, use the built-in Incline feature for an uphill angle of up to 15 degrees. The powerful 3-horsepower motor on this treadmill will have you running all the way up to 8.7 miles per hour, or 14 kilometers per hour. For those of us who can't get to the gym because of work or kids, this is the surefire way to save time, money, and keep healthy. And with 4 wheels, it's so much easier to move and store. And with the MOBVOI smartwatch series, you can tap into some other very cool features accessible via the app. Listen, with all the craziness going on in the world, why travel out to the gym if you don't have to? The MOBVOI Home Treadmill Incline. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay fit.